Welcome to this Value Med presentation where we're going to run you through what comes in an easyLife triple meter. This one is the glucose, cholesterol and uric acid multifunction monitoring system. That means you have the ability to test with individual test strips for blood sugar, blood cholesterol, that's total cholesterol, and blood uric acid. So let's open up this box and show you what's included and what you'll get. So here we have the contents of that box. First thing on the outer side, not included in the pouch, is your user manual. This is a very well written, full, easy English instruction. It gives you loads of information in there, but you're probably not going to read through all of it until you want to start testing. Also included are 3 strip test advice or instructions for use in there. Okay. Also, obviously, the digital meter, 2 batteries. These are AAA. A reset code chip, lancets, a spring-loaded easyLife lancet device, which is one of the better ones on the market with variable depth settings, and you get 3 starter packs of test strips. Now, if you're interested in testing for uric acid in blood, you get 10 starter test strips and a code chip included in the starter vial. Same again for blood sugar or glucose, 10 easyLife glucose test strips and a code chip for those. And for the cholesterol, I'm afraid you only get 2 test strips in the starter pack, but again with a code chip. So that is the contents fully explained in the GCU starter. In the next stage, we'll show you how to set the meter up, and in the final step, how to do your first test.